gonna make a video which is very important, because on the ship, as you know, we have lot of things to eat, like pizzas, burgers, french fries, chocolate, pastries, and if we eat all that, we become fat. And for burning that, we have crew gym. So guys, now today I'm gonna show you how our crew gym looks like.
Yeah, sorry, brother.
Yeah, come.
So, we will pass for the moment.
This is what happened. You get a good body.
Yeah. See? Good body, yeah.
Alright. So let's go in. So well guys, you can see this is our crew gym, and there are so many stuff you can use it. I won't say it is the huge gym, but it has enough of stuff. So I will start from the best one. Normally people use this one. Very basic cardio machines. You can see this. And this is used for the cycling stuff. I'm sorry guys, I don't know the name. My friend knows the name. He is the bodybuilder. I'll show him.
Elliptical.
Elliptical. Yes, this machine knows by ellipticals. This is for
Cardio.
This is for cardio. This is for back. And there's a ball also. You can see this ball. I love this ball. I don't know whether I'm able to do that. Oh my god. Oh yes. Yeah, it's very good for back. Okay. Now these. I don't think so. I have to tell you what is these, right? These are dumbbells. And this is for chest, I guess, because I'm more into sports, not into gymming. And he's a new joiner on the ship, and as well as in the gym. You can see his build. After 9 months, it will be this big. Don't worry. Okay, and this is for back, I guess. Sorry, this is for chest. And this is for thighs. Yes, this is for thighs. So guys, I'm really sorry. I don't know much about gymming, but still my friend is helping me, and I'm just showing you what is all gym about on the cruise ship. So these all equipment you get. Okay, now on this ship you have 2 gyms. This is the one gym. I never ever come on this in this gym, but I always go in the another one. I'll show it to you that also. Okay. So guys, this is my friend. He's a new joiner, and believe me, he knows so much about gymming. I will show his photo also. He's wearing a t-shirt now, but if he remove the t-shirt, this is how he looks like. Okay, so he's a professional bodybuilder, and he was Mr. Vasai.
Yes.
Yeah, he was Mr. Vasai. You were the first rank, right? You got the first prize. Fourth prize all over Vasai. So he's helping me in the gymming stuff. As I told you before, there are 2 types of gym we have. One which I already shown, and now this is another one. I'll show you this one also. And this one, by the way, this one is my favorite gym. Ta-da! You can see. So in this gym, you won't find the heavy equipment, but you find the best thing, which I really like. There is some cycles. This is used for spinning. You have seen what is spinning, right? When the music goes fast, you need to spin fast. When the music goes slow, you need to spin slow. And there's not much, but it's this. Basically, this place is for mostly for cardio. And and by the way, I have one of my friend who was a professional boxer, and I'm not kidding. He was a professional boxer in a college time, and he gonna show how to use this one. Shomoy, can you please show? So well guys, he is a professional boxer, as you can see. Okay. Really nice of you. Alright. So guys, this is the gymming part. This is what we have on the gym. By the way, this is a crew gym. We also have a passenger gym, and which we can go. I mean, the staff, mostly staff can go. But I think the camera is not allowed. The mobile phones, the cameras are not allowed. So I will only stick to the crew gym. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and nothing else. Only bye from Cruising with Goldie.